Here's my audience. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay. Here you go. No. Okay. Good. Okay. Uh, Hello. My name is Paul Westerman, and this speech is about how to install Kodi. And Kodi is a multimedia server. Um, it is open source and freeware. It was developed originally for the Xbox as a media center, but it gained much popularity, and so the community took it over and developed their own. And from that point, um, about 450 developers put their input onto it and started the XBMC in 2003. By 2009, they developed their own nonprofit organization under the XMBC or XBMC, sorry, um, that that had over 500 web developers and software developers working on it, and to open source for everybody to use. So, um, what Kodi does is it streams sources from local and network uh, local network media sources. Basically, it streams TV shows, programs, photos from multiple sources. Um, Kodi has developed so far that they do now live streaming. They do um, programs, photos from all over the world. So that's basically the history of Kodi. And right now we're going to go into it, and I'm going to tell you how to install. The first thing you would need to do is go ahead and open the page. Um, it would be http :// kodi.tv /download. This page will open up to the home screen for Kodi, which will give you an option to download from various operating systems, from Linux to Windows to Macs, and so on. So after you do the download, of course you would need your administrative privileges, and so after that you would go ahead and do a typical install. Just double click the icon and it will pop right up. And what you would do from there, because Kodi itself, it doesn't provide any sources itself. It's just a media player. So what you would have to do at this point, you would have to go to System, File Manager, Add Source, and then type in an address. Like for instance, we would do one of the most popular ones that have the most content to it is http fusion.tvaddons.ag. And at this point, you would name this, because it would actually create a external hard drive um, that your computer would pull the resources from. So at this point, you would go ahead and name it Fusion, or whichever name you would like. And then you would exit out, go back to your home screen of the Kodi. And at that point, you would go to System Settings. And under that, you would go to Add-ons. And from here, you would install from zip. There is a install point. You can install from zip, from your hard drive, from various sources, but you would want to do zip on this one. And from that point, you would select File, and then select the plugin. And the plugin name would be it would tell you plugin.fusion.tv, and that's the plugin you would use. So after that, you would exit out to the home screen again, and you would go into Programs. And from Programs, you would go into Wizard Setup. And once you enter Wizard Setup, it will give you a list of operating systems that you can use. They're already pre-formatted so whatever system you use to download Kodi, it optimize it for that format. And from there, you would just run the wizard config, and then from there, let it run, because it will take a few minutes. And then at that point, you would restart Kodi and go back into it again, and then you would have over 100 different sites of video streaming, storage, online storages, picture sources, programs, all types of different stuff. So that is the continuation of my install of Kodi. And is there any questions from the audience? Yes.
What does Kodi stand for?
Kodi, I'm not sure what Kodi stands for, but it was previously named XBMC, which stood for Xbox Media Center.
That's
Yes. Yes.
What about science?
Science? This is computer science. So it's. Any other questions?
No,
No? Are you sure?
Yes, yes.
we're sure.
Okay. So that would conclude my presentation, and I hope you all learned something. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.